Hi, it's Jonathan with HoustonPoolLeague.com. Today we are at Tower Oak Bend HOA pool here in Spring, Texas. And I just wanted to take a moment to talk about information. When we're doing a swimming pool leak detection, the more information we have, the better we are at finding the leak and all the leaks. It's really easy to get out and pressurize the plumbing and see if it holds. If it holds, it's good. If not, it's not. It's got a crack somewhere, in which case it's easy to pinpoint most of the time, pinpoint where that's at. But it's the other leaks that are not in the plumbing that can be difficult to determine, especially when we don't have as much information as we need, like how much water is it losing in a day, how often are you having to put water in the pool, does it seem like it runs with or leaks more with the pumps running or with the pumps off, have you noticed any air in the system, things like that. And sometimes we get situations like this pool right here where we don't know a whole lot about it. It's a HOA pool, and they just knew that it was leaking. They didn't know how much it was leaking. They didn't know how often they were having to put water in. They didn't really have any kind of history on it or anything like that. And so what I'm out here doing right now is I know that the baby pool that we've got here has the biggest leak because they're having to fill that one up more often, from what I understand. And so I'm doing a leakalizer on it, and that tells us exactly how much water we're losing in a given period. It's a pretty sophisticated, expensive piece of electronic that measures down to the 10,000ths of an inch and plots it along a little graph and lets us know exactly how much water we're losing in an hour's time. And so that's just part of the leak detective process, is finding out as much information as we can and asking the right questions, and that's how we're able to find the leaks. So far on this pool, we've actually found that the light was leaking, and unfortunately the plaster company plastered the light in, and so it was actually leaking inside the little the holes of the light. And so either A, we have to chip it all out of there and plaster around it, or fix the plaster around it and make it proper, or I just went ahead and put some pool putty around it just to stop the leak and get them back in business. But eventually we're gonna have to actually chip it out of there and do some plaster repair on it as well. And now I'm just verifying that leak is gone and we have no other additional leaks in the swimming pool. Anyways, if you need help finding your leaks, call us at Find-A-Pool-0. That's Find-A-Pool-0. Or go to our website at HoustonPoolLeague.com. Thank you.